Hey, so I figured I would just show you what I'm talking about. So this is like a past course that I taught, same exact course, but it was in like spring of 2023. And so whenever you would go to each module, you would have, the links to the smart books listed here. And so you could click on them and it would take you directly into the assignment. And so the other thing, and that's, I don't know, that's not like a hill that I think we have to die on or anything like that. But I guess the thing that I'm really confused about is that in the past, we had these application-based activities that were actually in the smart book itself, in like the Connect account. And so you would click on this and you would go into the assignment, and it would, since this is my instructor account, it looks a little different, but it would go into these application-based activities that they would complete for the same amount of points. And that is gone now. Like it's been replaced with something I've never seen before. And like I said, I taught this class for a long time, so I don't know if we're moving to this, like if we're moving away from the application-based activities. But so if you go into, so this is the sandbox, right? So there's no chapters listed here. It's also listed as an assignment, and that's not, I don't think they're supposed to be earning points for this in the grade book. And so, yeah, so if you go down to the activities, now it's been replaced by, something completely different. And I'm okay with that if that's what we're moving to, but I guess I just would like some clarification on that. Because it used to be, now I can't get into my instructor account. What it would have is, sorry, I'm gonna see if I can get in there. Nope. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, I can't I can't find it right now. But anyways, it used to be that you could go into Connect and there were these like real specific activities. So I'm just curious as to what the changes are. If we're no longer doing that, that's fine. If this doesn't even look familiar to y'all and you're like, what are you talking about? That's okay too. Yeah, just let me know.